There is just something about homes with dark exteriors. Would you agree? Let's go take a look. Thank you for tuning into the Austin City Brothers. In this channel, our goal is to help you find the right home for yourself and your family by dropping weekly videos about the best of Austin's real estate. So stay tuned to enjoy the home tour of this beautiful home by GFO. If you're looking to relocate to the Austin, Texas area, feel free to go to the link below and enjoy our white glove service. You can also schedule a one-on-one consultation with the Austin City Brothers to help you strategize and game plan your move in Austin, Texas. This home is located at the community of Whisper Valley, very unique community, eco-smart. We will be dropping a video about this one very soon, so you can click on the card to enjoy this video. That is the access to your garage and powder room. That is your laundry room, which is connected to the master closet. Now, this is the first full bath that is also connected to that guest bedroom. So both guests and whoever's staying in that room can use it. Some additional cabinets. Let's look at this beautiful modern kitchen. They've used a very nice modern black theme in this house throughout, which really makes it stand out. One more look from this side. "20-foot ceilings throughout the living room. That's where your fridge is going to go. And a nice walk-in pantry. I can't get enough of this kitchen. Super modern and nice. Let's go take a look at the master bedroom. Look at that brightness. Master bath with its own standing tub and a shower. This is the master closet, pretty spacious, which is also connected to the laundry room. That's where the washer dryer will go, and some extra space. See how they utilized the space underneath the stairs for more storage. One more look. Let's go upstairs. So this home encompasses 2 living areas. One downstairs and then one up here. And the final and 5th bedroom. So we got 3 up and 2 down. This one has its own little, say, game area or reading area for the little one. In the master plan community of Whisper Valley. Thanks for watching.